Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications.
Hello friends, I'm Priti and welcome to our channel Krazzy for DIY. So friends, we had conducted a New Year's crafts and stationery giveaway on 13 Jan and today is the much awaited result announcement time. So guys, firstly I would want to thank all of you for such overwhelming responses and comments. They really touched me and encouraged me for putting in more efforts and coming up with so many more videos and good content for you people. And now about the winners. We had to select 5 winners and I used the random winner picker extension for unbiased results. So those who couldn't win, let me tell you, we have many more exciting contests coming up really soon, so stay tuned. And everyone who are yet to subscribe, do subscribe Krazzy for DIY now. And now let's see the winners. Please avoid the screen advertisement below. And the first winner is Priya Dubey. Second is Swara A. Third winner is Creative Pole. Fourth is Ram Bang. And the last winner is Naina Sharma. So to all the winners now, congrats! Now what you have to do is direct message us your address in whichever social media you have followed us. And then comment down here that you have sent your details in FB or Instagram, etc. And about the gifts you have won is a surprise till they reach you. And to the non-winners, hard luck this time. But I repeat, do subscribe now. We have lots of interesting stuffs coming up. So that's all for this video. Bye and do it yourself.
For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Krazzy for DIY.